And look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Hey YouTube, Cassandra here from X5 Overland. We are back. We are in California again. We know, again. But it's fine because it's a totally different area. We're going to be in Santa Barbara this time. Not much driving because we'll be here for a whole week hanging with family. So it'll be a lot of that type of footage. Hopefully some fun activities. Let's see what we can get into.
What, does that make you nervous?
What are you doing?
Does that make you nervous?
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah.
Crickets. Look at these crickets we found. On the ground. Cheese dust.
Ew. You want a cricket?
No.
Is it yummy?
They don't taste like anything.
You don't like it, Addie?
It won't come out of your water. What's wrong with it? It's better than puking. You alright? I thought it was delicious.
Good morning. Sleepy goose.
Sleepy goose.
Yeah. How'd you sleep?
Like a rock. Oh, like a rock. Had to poke you in my pants though.
Ouch.
Morning.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
What'd you do today?
Our first day of school.
What? How'd you go to school in the woods?
On Zoom.
I'm just kidding.
Darling, I've been tempted by the darkness, telling me that I should throw it all away. Felt so hard, my heart is hardly helpless. Found myself so desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for at night. I hold on to every garment, won't surrender, not tonight. The shadow rises, I walk through the valley, but I won't let nothing take my heart away. I recognize the powers as they rally. Golden names, I break them one by one and face to face.
Good morning from Kachuma Lake. We are leaving today and everybody's just kind of packing up. This is super fun. We didn't film a ton of stuff, but we're mostly hanging out with family. So yeah, check it out.
My favorite part was going down to the city and like going to the beach.
Yeah?
Going on the beach and getting candy.
Ooh, that was fun. What was your favorite part?
Swimming in the water.
Swimming in the water at the beach?
Yeah.
That was pretty fun, huh?
Mhm.
And what was your favorite food?
Candy.
Candy. Both of you guys love candy. Awesome. Would you go camping again?
Yeah.
10 out of 10 recommend?
Yeah.
Awesome. Ah! So you guys can't see anything except for dash lights. But sometimes this is what happens on the road. You're driving at night, you're blinding the driver to show that you are eating to-go Olive Garden breadsticks in the car while just trying to get to where you're going. We got a gift card for our wedding shower for a $50 Olive Garden gift card, and we are making it last 3 whole meals worth of food.
Unfortunately, they can't all be winners. Oh my god, the mosquitoes are crazy out here. This one is $12 a day. We don't bring cash with us, so we will be trying to find another spot to sleep. So we're gonna eat our Olive Garden on the side of the road and then keep on driving until we hit a rest area or something and then get some shut-eye. See you guys in the morning. I feel about this water. It's a little cloudy.
It'll be okay.
But I filled it up from like one of those spigots at first. But I was like, maybe that's radiator water. And I filled it up with the drinking fountain. Let's go. It's cold here.
Freeway side stop. We forgot something on the roof.
Just sitting up there too?
Yep.
Like in the crack?
No, I put it on top of the roof box. Alright, back on the road. Resume.
That whole series of footage was filmed probably 2 months ago. Since then, the X5, which is behind me, broke down. Hasn't moved from that spot for at least a couple weeks. But I got the parts in the mail. I have to replace the parts, but now it's really cold out here. So yeah, that's what's been going on in our world. Also, boom, got married, did that, check that off the list. Happily married now. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update. I guess I reached kind of the end of the driveway, huh? Now I gotta walk back. So the current plan for the X5, repair the upper tow control arm, which is the thing that broke. Repair the upper camber control arm, which is another thing that broke. And then get an alignment. And then find some jobs. We're kind of flat broke at the moment. So in order to keep traveling, we need to make some money. So we're gonna do that. Then we'll be back on the road. Do I look haggard? I need a shower. Let me show you the X5. So there was a pretty big windstorm. Covered the X5 in all these leaves from this tree. But yeah, so more videos to come. I did buy rock lights, so I'm gonna install rock lights. We did the trunk or treat for Halloween. That was pretty cool. Yeah, also I started a TikTok. I'm not very good at it because I'm old, but check out our TikTok. I keep looking at myself in the little screen over here, so sorry. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Many more videos. Many more videos to come. Check us out on TikTok, check us out on Instagram, check us out on Patreon. All of those links will be down in the description box below. I'm gonna get working on repairing this bad boy so we can get it back on the road. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.